Hi everyone, this is AEON Laser. I'm Harry. I'm photographing our machine. This is MIRA line, one of our top seller machine. We've already uploaded the whole unboxing process on our YouTube channel. If you are interested, you can browse our channel and watch it. In this video, I will give you more basic information about this machine. Let's look at the lid first. It's made of glass. You can hear the sound. It has good transparency and wonderful performance of fireproof. We don't use acrylic to make lids because it is quite easy to get fire. We designed the hinges to make sure the lid is opened to the fixed location with minimal error, so it is unnecessary for you to calibrate the camera each time. Let's look at the work area. Now I will use a tape measure to measure the dimensions of work area. The width is 60 cm and the length is 90 cm. And this is the Honeycomb table, which is mainly used for engraving. If you want to shift out it, you need to open the no-go panel first. It's not difficult, just use our triangle key to open it. Just rotate and on the other side. And now you can see two tables here. The top one is Honeycomb and the second one is blade table. And after taking out the Honeycomb table, you can see the blade table clearly. The blade table is mainly used for cutting, which can a lot of burn marks. You can take out some of the blades, so the material is hang in the air. Less contacting area with the table, the less burn marks on the back. Let me put the blades and the Honeycomb table back. Maybe you have already noticed the red guy. It's the leather head. The golden yellow pin with spring is autofocus pin. In future videos, we will teach you how to use it in detail. Then let's look at the left side. This nozzle is air and laser outlet. And here is a reflective mirror. There's one mirror on the other side. The laser will be passed through this area when the machine is working, so it is dangerous. Never put your hand between this area when the machine is working. And this is why we set up this protection sensor here. You can only use the machine when the lid is closed. Here you can see we installed sealing stripes on both sides of the machine. When you close the lid, the sealing effect is particularly good. The leather radiation is maximally reduced. As for the working area, I have some more to introduce. Here and here are exhaust vents. Let me show you by a piece of paper. The long seams on both sides of the machine are LED stripes. Here is the rotary part of the machine. You can engrave bottles, Yeti cups, or any other round products by connecting a rotary attachment. Now let's get familiar with the control and communication area of the machine. The first button is the emergency button. In case of any emergency, just press the button. Want to recover, just rotate clockwise. The next one is the keyhole. You can turn on the machine with this key. We have an acrylic block with these parameters attached. We will introduce it in detail with another video. If you want to turn on the machine, just insert and turn it counterclockwise. Turn off, just opposite direction. If you want to prevent others to use your machine, just put it where others can't find. This is the switch of exhaust fan. Turn off, just pull again. The big knob below is the regulator of the external air compressor. The inlet port is on the back. We will have a special video to teach you how to add stronger air for thick material cutting. The small knob below is used to adjust the light for the camera. Clockwise to brighten, vice versa is to dim. This interface is for U-disk. You could export files to the machine for offline processing. The final interface is used to link the overhead camera. This side window here I will open to show you what's there. These three rows are the XYZ axis model drivers, and you can see that each Y is marked with letters and is arranged very neatly. These provide convenience for troubleshooting. And here's the controller, which is the brand of the machine. For safety, be sure to lock the panel when using the machine. And next, let's look at the back of the machine. The first quick connector is used to link the external blower I just mentioned. The following is a network cable interface, which can connect the machine to the NAND. And the bottom interface is a USB interface, which can be used to link the computer. In this area is the built-in water cleaner. Here is the water inlet, and this is the water outlet. This label is water level indication. It's okay to load water at this green area. Here is the temperature controller, which shows the actual temperature and the set temperature below. When the actual water temperature reaches the set temperature, the compressor will start to cool the water. And this is the radiator of the water tank. The pipe on the right side is the exhaust pipe. Open the top cover and we can see the leather tube. As we can see from the label, the leather power is 60 watts. Remember to close the cover when the machine is in use. Then we look at the left side of the machine. There's a window here, let's open it and have a look. The larger black one is the laser power supply, and the smaller one is used to supply power for DC appliances. The cables here are also marked with labels and also very neat. Turn it off when you use the machine. And the square here is the Wi-Fi module. Then let's look at the control panel on the machine. These 4 arrows is the direction key. Let's try jog to the right. Try again for long pressing. The round key is the menu key. Maybe the menu looks a little complicated, but don't be freaked out. Most of them you will never use. Let's try the Z-axis movement. Downward movement, upward. Another function related to the Z-axis is autofocus. I will use a mobile phone to demonstrate. The next common function is language setting. You can select the language of your country. Then is IP address setting. In this interface, you can set IP network address of the machine. As for the toolbox attached to the machine, I will show you what's in it. A video cable for camera, a network cable, 2 motor belts, some spare parts, and the autofocus pin. And the USB flash drive contains the software installation package and user manual. Finally, as for the questions about the size of the machine often asked by our customers, I will measure it on site. It's 130 cm long, 50 cm high, and 104 cm wide. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.